As you work in planning, you'll probably spend most of your time on the services page, whether you're a view-only user or an account admin. Now, of course, your permission level will dictate how much you can see and edit, so to follow along with this video, you'll want to be either a view and edit user or an admin. To begin, let's click on Services. Here you'll find a list of all the services that are already created for your ministry. To view past services, click the Show Past button. Click it again to go back to viewing upcoming services. I have 3 upcoming services created. 2 are labeled as Sunday morning and 1 is youth service. These are your service types, which you can then filter through with this left table. To add or remove service types, go to the Service Types page from the left menu. You can have different service types like traditional service, women's Bible study, holiday, special event, you name it. Just make sure to save your changes. Now, let's go back to the Services page. Click New to create a new service. The service times and types are required, so that's why you'll want your service types set up before adding new services. Fill out the other boxes as you'd like, and then click Save. For now, I'm just going to open up an existing service instead. As you can see, I've already started putting some items on this service. To add more to it, I'll click Add Item. Here you'll find options to add an estimated length for this service item, give it a name, provide notes, etc. If this item is going to be a song, you can come down here and click Select. If you have Song Select connected, you'll notice that you can either choose from your existing library or import a new song directly from Song Select even if the song is not in your library yet. I'll go ahead and import John Newton's Amazing Grace. Change the key if you'd like, and then click Save to add it to the service. To add a header or a cue group, as it's called in Presenter, click Add Header. Give it a name and save. Then you can drag it around to where you'd like it to go. For this one, I'm going to drag it right above Amazing Grace to separate the song from the sermon items. One quick thing to note, if you're adding slides, scriptures, or any non-song items to your service, it will stay on your planning list as a placeholder. You'll need to go into Presenter and edit the cue and attach any relevant files so that it can properly identify as a scripture or a slide or whatever kind of cue you're wanting to create. When those updates are made in Presenter, Planning will then auto-update to match and identify those cues properly. Last but not least, there's a hidden feature here on Planning that might come handy, so let me demonstrate that real quick. Let's say there are some items here on this service that you don't want to show in Planning or on Presenter or Music Stand. Click this gear icon and click Show All Service Items. This will bring up each of our app's logos next to each service item, which you can then click on to show or hide this item from that app. Now to demonstrate, let's say for example I don't want to see this announcement loop in Planning. I can just click this red Planning logo to hide it from Planning, but see how it will stay visible in Presenter because the Presenter logo is still green. That means even though it's not on my planning list, I can still open it up in Presenter and project the slides from there. Now with this Planning logo grayed out, if I click the gear icon again and show only Planning items, notice how that announcement loop is now hidden from Planning. If you need to turn it back on, just go back into those settings and click on the Planning logo again. So we just quickly went over creating and editing services. In another video, I'll continue demonstrating how to schedule people to services, and we have a lot of other helpful resources to help you as you begin. So make sure to follow us on Facebook and check out our website's support page.